Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna try to use the factorization property of a zero in order to to find the coefficients of polynomials, right? Okay, so let me remind you about if I have a c is called a zero, right, of a px, right? What does mean? So the formula that we're going to be using here, that x minus c will be a factor of p of x. All right, so how can I apply this? They are telling you the zeros. We have two zeros, so x equals to 1 plus radical 3 is a 0, and the other one, x equals to 1 minus radical 3, another 0. What does mean? According to my formula, it means that x minus 1 plus radical 3 will be a factor of p of x, as well as x minus 1 minus radical 3 will be a factor too. And now, since the leading coefficient is 1 here, and you see if I multiply the x times the x, these two, it's going to give me the same leading coefficient. Therefore, my polynomial, it will be the same as multiplying these two by each other, right? So p of x will simply equals to x minus 1 minus radical 3 and x minus 1 plus radical 3. All right, so here I just took the parentheses away. Now there is plenty of ways to do this. It's up to you. You can use the formula or you can use a table. I'm gonna use it the simple way, so I'm gonna make 3 columns and 3 rows. So here I'm gonna put x minus 1 minus radical 3. Here gonna be x minus 1 and plus radical 3. I think this is more organized and everybody can do it. So this is going to be x squared minus x minus radical 3x. So here going to be minus 1 times x, you're going to be minus x. Minus 1 times minus 1, you're going to be plus 1. Minus 1 times minus radical 3, you're going to be radical 3. Now I'm going to multiply everything by radical 3. So this is radical 3x. The next one minus radical 3. And the last one, minus radical 3 times radical 3 is minus 3, right? Okay, so there are some terms that they're going to cancel out, some terms that they're going to add up. So I can see I'm going to add up this and this. And I can tell that minus radical 3x cancels out with radical 3x. Radical 3 cancels out with minus radical 3. And everything else is gonna be, I'm gonna add up 1 and minus 3, right? So in conclusion, my polynomial will become x squared minus x and minus x is gonna be minus 2x. 1 and minus 3 is gonna be minus 2, and this should be your final answer. Now the question in this, they are asking you for the b, right? So the b is the number next to the x. So the number next to the x, you can get it from here. Make sure you take the minus sign with it. So b is gonna be minus 2, and this is the answer that they are looking for, right? So minus 2 should be there, right? And that's all.